Kiddo Magic, your guide to the English language. Today, we'll be discussing cursive handwriting in lowercase. This is the second part to how to teach handwriting to your children. If you haven't seen the previous video, I've put the link in the description, or you can click on the top right of the screen. Cursive handwriting was invented to be more fluent, making writing faster than writing one letter at a time. When you write continuously, your brain knows where the pen is and makes it faster. A few points to remember. We're using the 3-line framework with the baseline, midline and top line, describing it as the grass, clouds and sky. All our letters start at the baseline and we move from a broad framework to a narrow framework as we keep practicing and getting more fluent. Before we start writing the letters, we need to practice a few formations which are important for the fluency. The first one being the C pattern. This is important for letters like A, C, D, G, Q. Notice how it's written between the baseline and the midline, or the grass and the clouds. The next pattern is the short loops or the long loops. We also need to practice upstrokes and downstrokes. It is important to follow the framework. Do not allow our children to go above or below the line. This makes it messy. We will now move on to practicing the formation of letters. Remember, all our letters start at the baseline. So, this is A, B. We could also have a loop like this. C, D, E, F, G. It is important to explain these letters as in start at the baseline, go up to the clouds, turn back, go down to the grass, go up again, come down, swing out. Or the B being starting at the grass, we go up to the sky, turn, come back down to the grass, go up to the clouds, swing out. Or the C being start at the grass, go up to the clouds, just turn a little bit below, turn back, go down to the grass, swing out. Describing these strokes is extremely important. Let's move on. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Practicing letter connections is extremely important. Let's start with the consonant and vowel. C and A, or L, I, S, U, P, E. Practicing two consonants is also very important, like C, R. This one can be tricky for many students. B, R, G, L, or P, L. Here I'll be writing a word, wand, Do notice the angle at which all the letters are placed. This angle makes cursive handwriting look prettier. To start writing, we make our students trace the letter. So they should trace it 3 times, then copy it twice, and then write it out of memory. This reinforces the formation of the letters. We can also group the letters, those starting with the C formation, that's A, C, D, G, Q, and O. Or we have letters which have the loop, as in B, E, F, H, K, L. We can also have letters with the upstroke. I, J, T, U, V, W, Y. We have letters with downstrokes like M, N, and P. And the remaining letters R, S, X, and Z. I do hope you found this session interesting. Happy writing! Thank you.